Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a vintage friends filter effect in your videos using CapCut. Let's start with this video as an example. Navigate to the Filters section. Under the Retro category, locate the Friends filter. Or directly search for Friends. Drag and drop the filter onto the timeline. Adjust the intensity to 50. Move to the Adjustment section and add a custom adjustment to the timeline. Adjust saturation to 11, exposure to -9, contrast to 11, highlight to 11, sharpen to 80, and vignette to 20. Next, head to the Effects tab. Under the Lens category, find the HDR effect or search for HDR. Drag and drop the HDR effect to the timeline. Adjust the effect filters to 70. Strength to 30. Amount to 30. And size to 50. Then, return to the Effects tab and add the Motion Blur effect to the timeline. Adjust the horizontal to 70 and strength to 40. Now, go to the stock materials and add a black background to the timeline. Click Freeze and adjust the duration to match the video. In the Video Basics settings, click on Blend. Choose Soft Light and adjust opacity to 30%. Select all elements on the layers, right-click, and create a compound clip. Go to the video mask, choose horizontal. Move the mask line downwards and add some feathering. And there you have it, a Vintage Friends filter effect applied to your video. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.